See you on this Tuesday morning, 5:13 the time, and our weather story, if anything this week, is going to be consistent. Fairly quiet start to the week, and our weather pattern this week is going to feature more of the same. That means it's going to be hot, it's going to be mainly dry, but not excessively hot and humid. Still near records, tied a record yesterday at 96 degrees. That record set back 2007. The record today, 98. Maybe just out of reach, but we will come close. Right now, I got 77s for Brandon and Sun City Center, 80s along the coast in Pinellas County. Exception is Palm Harbor. You're waking up to about 79 degrees. Headed out the door, get some exercise in here. 70s coupled with light winds. Not a miserable start to the day. It's certainly feeling better than it will this afternoon. Sun's not up yet. Sun will be up just after 7 o'clock, so just under 2 hours from now. And once that happens, temperatures hit the gas pedal, climb quickly, probably mid-80s by 10 o'clock. Sun will win today, that's for sure. Mid-90s will be the common theme in most areas. Weather is dry locally, but it's a totally different commute out along coastal Texas as they're beginning to be impacted by the outer bands of Harold, which is a tropical storm now. Here's a look at the satellite presentation. Tough to define the low-level center here, but Hurricane Center says it's a tropical storm. Became one early this morning. Movement is west-northwest at 18, so it's moving relatively quickly. Already starting to see some heavy rain and wind impacts there. It's expected to make landfall around midday today. So this is Houston. It's going to be well south of Houston, think Corpus Christi down towards the Brownsville area, and then quickly weaken. There could be some areas that pick up a lot of rain. They need rain, not all at once, though. So flooding impacts a possibility, 3 to 6 inches. There could be higher amounts in parts of Mexico down there over the next couple of days. Its impact on our weather is minimal, but what it's doing is, as that moisture plume is pulling away, it's robbing our atmosphere of any moisture that we would typically see in an August day. That's why rain chances are almost zero today, if you could believe this. Futurecast through the morning, through the afternoon. It's not impossible we get a runaway shower to develop, but it'll be passing in nature, and you certainly don't see a ton of it. Maybe a little bit better moisture here headed our way to tomorrow, but still below average for what we would typically see this time of the year. Lots going on in the tropics. There's Harold I just talked about. Franklin, also a tropical storm. Gert is now a depression. That'll be no more in a couple areas. We're watching out the Atlantic. Really, none of them will have a consequence in our weather. There are watches and warnings posted for parts of Hispaniola. You got a family and friends there. Not a bad idea to check in on them on this storm, which is not looking all that great. It's having a tough time. No real changes in intensity at 50, and movement is northwest there. So it's going to continue to move through and maybe have a window of time where it could re-strengthen moving into the Atlantic. But again, no real concerns for our weather. Your 7-day forecast here locally. As I mentioned, things are consistently hot and humid. Feels like temperatures are just above 100 each and every day. Rain chances maybe a little bit higher second half of the weekend into next week.